Okay, boss. We finished loading all this. Now we are supposed to load attribute table for customer, boss. So what's the customer key? This is info object. So I'll go to my provider, AW sales, into the master data, and I'll insert this info provider. I want to check this file and this is fine or not. Open desktop. Customer details. So customer key, its key fine, and then geography key done, and first name, middle name, last name, first name, last name, middle name, and then first name is done. Email address. We're going to get some error now. Email address, yearly income. Okay. Address line 1 and 2, and then phone number. It's fine. It does match my file. So I have an attribute for this. I need to load data from this file. So what will be the step here? Data source. Let me choose my source system file, and then what? Test file. So what type of data source will I create when my target is attribute? Attribute data source. Key underscore edit here, and type of data source is attribute data source. Extraction from the file, AW customer details 1 CSV file, comma proposal, ready to propose. So it fails because I've kept the file open, so make sure the file is closed. Done. Let it propose. Just want this as what? See. Even this as now see. Yearly income integer is fine. I'm okay with that. About 9,000 yearly income. Okay. I think yearly income has got some. Yes, int 2 only takes it till 5, so int 4 again. I just have to refresh it also. Okay, done. It's able to read in. So next would be, what will be next aspect? Connecting both. Right click, say what? Create transformations. Source is data source, and this is my test source system. Customer key to customer key, geography key to geography, first name to F name, middle name to M name, and then L last name to L name, email address to email address, address line 1 and then address line 2, and phone number is this, yearly income. This done. Okay. Activate your transformations. So what would be next steps? Just run your info packages and schedule the load. see, irrespective of the data quality, whether there's some data errors in it, it does bring it to what? PSA, data source. So info package doesn't throw any error if there is a problem with data quality bus. Okay. So I've got some 18,000 some records. They're still coming in. Now you can observe this. Yeah, see, now 18,000 records, right? It is bringing one packet in 1,000 records. The packet size it is taking is 1,000. So it brought in so many packets, 19 packets. Why it is 1,000? We'll see. How do we control more? Suppose if I wanted 2,000 in one packet, we can still control it also. So now what is the next step? Create DTP. So you're getting used to this flow. Data source, transformation, info package, DTP are still feeling tough. ఇంకా టఫ్ ఉందా? ఎర్రర్ రాలే. So maintain master data bus. I was expecting that it will throw an error for this @ symbol and then dot or something. Suppose if it fails for that special characters, okay. What you'll have to do is you'll have a T code called RSKC. Sorry, RSKC, and it is where you basically allow all the special. Suppose if it fails for a special character like @ you just give it and execute. So these characters will be permitted into the system. Yeah. If there is some suppose if there is invalid character and if you want to allow it, you will allow it that in RSKC. But if you don't want all of this, you want to remove it, the only option is you go to the PSA, you can do editing, right? You can remove those and then if it is 1,000 records, if you don't want to edit, you can do an emergency transport where you write a transformation rule where you say replace this special character with a space, blank space. You even do a routine which will remove that space also, which will remove that special character also. So what's the next file? Next is what? Sales territory bus. Sales territory key, I think. Yeah? So let me go to BW, info objects, search for this key. I have it, and this has got only attributes, and these are the 3 attributes here. Let me open the file and check whether it's all fine with them. Sales territory. So it's region, country, and what? Group. Yeah. So region, country, and group. It's all fine. Yeah, good. So I just have to insert this as info provider. Yeah, done. So now what is the next step? Got to create your data sources. So you wanted to go with attributes. So the naming you try to do this way. ADTR. Not mandatory. You can give in any name. Okay. File is sales territory. Let me close out this file. Number of headers to be ignored 1, CSV, and then what? Commerce supplied proposal fields. Okay. Let this be. Let me see. Done. So what is that you do? You connect your provider. This is the data source with the transformations. Territory key and country, region. So basically your transfer structure should match your file. It need not match the sequence of the target. No. You can have zigzag mappings also. Data source, info package. Some error. What does it say? Updating attributes. That is not valid. What happens? How come it is not valid? Let me see, what is it? Data record 01 United States is not valid. Key 0 is invalid and invalid United States bad for that country. Let me check that info object settings of country. So is it enabled for lowercase? But I was getting a lowercase letter, so that's the problem. So the one option is I get into this and get into that country, change my object to hold what? Lowercase in it, or you should write a routine to convert it to uppercase, but it would look nice with caps and lowercase. So now I'm just running. Let me delete that bad request which has failed. You understood what was the problem, right? Now it's fine. So that's about, now the master is also loaded. Done?